Hello, this is part B of tutorial 1.2, import symbol, and continue with the drawing of the circuit. As already mentioned, it is based on this blog. I will put the particulars of the link to this blog in the particulars below. Last time we imported this component, the block, terminal block, which will serve as the where the 12-volt input will be connected to. So just to get the orientation correct, select it, right click on it, select orientation, rotate clockwise, right click on it again, select duplicate, move the duplicate to close to the 200 microfarad capacitor, place it, right click it again, select orientation, and select mirror around the vertical axis. Now you will see that the terminal block is facing the correct direction, and this is where the output, the 3.3 volt, will be connected. We have finished with the placing of the terminal block. The next component symbol we have to place is the Si4128dy. Now there is no symbol in the Kicad library for this transistor. We can try and see if we can find one at SnapEDA, and we can go to the SnapEDA website. I'll put in the link in the description below. Now let's type in Si4128dy in the search box and click on the search icon. As you can see, we get 6 results, but there is no symbol available on any of them. You can see they're all blacked out and it says no symbol available. We can still search further, and let's go to Ultra Librarian. Let's also once again type in the link to Ultra Librarian for you in the description below. Let's once again type in Si4128dy. Click the search icon. It gives us 3 results, and it seems that there may be a symbol available here. Let's click on it. Unfortunately, it says no exact match found. It recommends the symbols of these transistors. Well, let's have one more go. Let's go to Mouser Electronics, see what we can find there. Once again, I'll add the link to Mouser Electronics in the description below. It lists the particular transistor over here, but it says it is obsolete, and it recommends as an alternative the Si4128dy. Now let's see if we can find a symbol at Ultra Librarian. Let's go back to the Ultra Librarian website. And yep, they have a symbol for the Si4128dy. can see there it is. Now you can click download, and you must choose Kicad. You must click, but you're not a robot. And you click download. Downloads. You must open it. And you must unzip it, and then you must, by extracting all the files, and then you must store it on your computer. I already did that, so I'm not going to do it again. As usual, I store it on my C drive, so I have a very short path once we add it to the Kicad symbol library. So I'm just going to close here. Now in a schema, you can now open a schema, click on Preferences, click Manage Symbol Libraries, go to Global Libraries, click on the file icon with the pop-out that says Add Existing Library to Table. Navigate to where you stored that symbol. I stored mine on my C drive, and I stored it on a file which I called Kicad symbols. Double click on that, double click on Kicad, double click on the following file, which is the date that you downloaded the file. You see I downloaded mine on the 22nd of December 2019, and it has a .lib extension. I'm going to select it and click open. I'm just going to cancel it because I have already done that. Now if you go back to the symbol libraries folder, you'll see right at the end it did add that symbol that we downloaded from Ultra Librarian, but in the nickname part over here, once again the date appears. I changed it to the name of the transistor Si4128dy, because otherwise it has no meaning to you. You have to work back to find out what component symbol it is. You have to work back to the date that you downloaded the symbol, and that's going to be involve a lot of admin. So click OK. Now click on the place symbol icon. Click on the drawing sheet. In the filter part, type in the nickname that you gave it, Si412. You can see I already have 2 of them, even 3 of them. But select it and click OK, and then place it more or less over here. This is the symbol that we downloaded from the Ultra Librarian website. We have to, at this stage, we have to place the 10 microhenry inductor. Click on the place symbol icon. Click onto the circuit diagram. In the choose symbol window where there's written filter, type in a capital L. choose L inductor, click OK, place the inductor to the left of the 35.7 kilo ohm resistor, right click on it, select orientation, select rotate clockwise, right click on it again, select properties, select edit value. In the edit value field box, in the text box, type in 10U capital H. Click on the place symbol icon again. Click on the circuit diagram. The choose symbol window opens where there is a written filter. We are now going to place the rectifier diode, the Zener diode. Type in MBRS340. Select MBRS340 40 volt 3 amp Schottky barrier rectifier diode. Click OK. Place it more or less under the 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Right click it. Select orientation. Select rotate clockwise. And you could move it a bit by selecting it. You must sometimes Kicad wants you to clarify the selection. You want to select the symbol, and you can select move, and you can move it a bit down. There we are. I think this is enough for now. Next time I will show you how to add the power and ground flags. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave it in the comments below. If you feel this video helped you, click the like button. If you would like to see more, click on the subscribe button. Goodbye.